Peace fam, DB Bedford here, the EI guy, bring you that emotional intelligence both personally and professionally. You know I'm juiced because I done figured out a way how to leverage this EI into the financial markets. And I'm getting better and better every single day. Listen, I got to show you today how real quick, real fast, $400 in 4 minutes. I want to talk about the importance of being able, right, to not messing off your for show money, trying to get some more money. When you become an EI day trader, you adapt a certain mindset. And that mindset gets you in a space where you are very calculated about the trade that you do get in. You maximize the best you can, you get what you can. And if you're profitable, you take that profit and you log it in and you come back the next day. That's one of the many secrets. A lot of people cannot be satisfied with small profits. They think it might be a waste of their time, or they see how much more upside there is and they got to get back in. But I'm telling you, that's the fastest way to go down a rabbit hole. When they talk about day trading is risky, it is very risky. When they talk about people not being successful, one of the things I think they figured out is that they don't realize that 10% of something is better than 100% of nothing. And if you're going to be doing this for the long game, then you want to go ahead and keep stacking small profits every single day. Then by the end of the week, you got a little bag. By the end of the 2-week period, you got a bigger bag. By the end of the month, you have a bigger bag. And then, right, you minimize any days that you wasn't profitable. You maximize the ones that you are profitable. But the key to it is to be consistently profitable. I want to show you how I got $400 in 4 minutes before most people even brush their teeth or poured their first cup of coffee this morning. It was super cool. I want you to come on in and take a look. All right, good morning. Opening bell just popped off. It's about 6:32 in the morning. And like yesterday, I recognized that this opening bar that the Bears were trying to get in control. So I came in at 2389.5. Right now we're at 2387.50. Looks like I'm going to be able to at least get that first point for the day. And so I just want to try to give the candle a little bit more time to mature, because I think if I grab my point right now, I'll get stopped out early. And I think the sellers will push this price down a couple of points. All right, so now we're down to 2386. Remember, I came in at 2389.50. So I'm going to go ahead and scalp that first point of mine. So I'm going to go ahead and go to 28.50. All right. So right off the cuff, I got that first point. Remember, I like to trade on the Russell 2000 E-minis. And so my contracts are $50 each. I like to trade 4 contracts at a time, which means that every time I capture a point, it's going to be $200 a point. Everyone will have an opportunity to trade a formula that works best for you. Just in case this comes back and stops out, I already got 1 point for the day. My goal is to get 5 points. And so I try to capture as much as I possibly can. I'm going to go ahead and go for my second point now. Now it's at 2385. So I'm going to go to 2387.50 and get that second point. Okay. It's 6:34 right now. So the next candle is about to form. A lot of times, even when the price is driving down, that next candle might reverse a little bit. And if it does that, right, I want to make sure that I capture as many points as possible. Now, again, sometimes it will reverse. It'll just come back a little bit and then it'll keep going. So you usually have to try to make a decision. Do you want to take the point now, or do you want to try to see if it's going to continue to push down? But you just never know when the next candle is about to form. And especially the way that it's kind of going back and forth, you just don't know. So the next candle just hit and it looks like it might still push down, but we don't know just yet. We don't know if the buyer is going to get in there and be like, okay, enough is enough. And so right now we are kind of hovering around 2386. Okay. So the sellers seem to be a little bit strong or stronger. The volume is low. So you can see a little bit of a reversal getting ready to happen. So there you go. So that is an example of the stop out. So we go to the positions. Like I said, 2 points, $400. You go to the activity. That happened between 6:31 and 6:35. This candle may continue to push down, so we'll wait and see. But again, the way that I like to trade, and I think what would make one the most successful in trading is just being able to grab a couple of points and be done. You know, not messing off your for show money trying to get some more money. And what I mean by that, like when I say you can be encouraged to be a consistently profitable trader, it means that, okay, I got $400 in that one trade. So today I'm a winner. Now, as long as I close out, walk over to my board, log it in, then I'm a winner. And it doesn't matter what happens after that. But if I get back in the game, then I'm putting my winnings at risk. Doesn't mean that you can't get more out there. I know my goal is to get 5 points, but I would like to get that 5 points in one, maybe 2 trades. But from my experience, the way to become a profitable trader is to trade less, increase your size, meaning buy more contracts, as many contracts you can afford, take a good trade, and then fold for the day, right? And that to me is how you become a profitable trader. So there you have it. $400, 4 minutes. So quick, so fast. That's just how I like it. And so this is why I'm excited about showing you how to become an EI day trader. I have the 5-day trading challenge coming up. I should be able to get the early enrollment page out no later than Monday. I know some of you guys are very anxious and you've been waiting, and I appreciate your patience. Part of this game is going to require you to have patience. So if you've been impatient with me right now and you're just trying to hurry up and jump in, you already probably behind the 8 ball. The financial markets is not going nowhere. You're not missing out on anything. I just want to make sure that I get it right for you so that I can increase your chances of being successful, and you won't have to go through what I went through to get here. I am not a financial advisor. I cannot promise that you're going to make any money. In fact, I can guarantee that you're going to lose some money. So I'm going to make sure that I teach you something that you did not know that's going to give you an opportunity to do something that you wasn't able to do before. That's my promise. Your results is strictly based on you, but I'm going to be here to coach you along the way. So I'm excited. I cannot wait to introduce you to the EI Day Traders community. But for now, please go to our YouTube channel, like and subscribe, and share this with anybody you think they could benefit from getting $400 in 4 minutes before most people even poured their first cup of coffee. Peace.